Anduril Industries has announced that Altius 700M loitering munition has done rigorous testing in which it showcased its flawless system performance and precision strikes against various targets, with payload capacity comparable to AGM Hellfire missile and extended range of up to 100 miles. It can deliver devastating blows to armored targets and infrastructure. The UK Defence Secretary has committed to a deal to acquire 14 new CH-47 heavy-lift helicopters in extended-range configuration. The CH-47ER Chinook is an extended-range variant with improved size, weight and power characteristics compared to older versions. Indian Navy rescued Bangladesh-flagged cargo ship which was attacked by armed pirates. After receiving distress call, Navy intercepted the hijacked ship and safely escorted the vessel to the coast of Somalia. The first infantry version vehicle of Spain's VCR 8x8 Dragon has entered the phase of internal testing. The vehicle will be manufactured in 13 variants. The current project timeline anticipates the rollout of 45 ICV units throughout 2024.